Picture stepping into a home where worn, outdated cabinets are instantly transformed into stunning centerpieces, all without the mess, the stress, or high cost of traditional renovations. Imagine being the business owner behind those transformations, bringing new life to cherished spaces in just days. Welcome to N-Hance Wood Refinishing, where innovation technology meets elegant simplicity. With our proprietary refinishing processes, projects typically finish in about 1 to 2 days, delivering remarkable, eco-friendly results with minimal disruption. Customers rave about N-Hance for its speed, sustainability, and its striking beauty it brings to their homes. As an N-Hance franchise owner, you'll benefit from comprehensive training, expert coaching, exclusive territories, and powerful national marketing support, all integrated into a proven system designed for success. Are you ready to own a transformative business? Schedule your consultation today and discover how N-Hance can redefine your future.
Sponsored content.